Okay, did you go through that serialize?
Yes, yes, I mentioned.
Okay, I will share my screen. Wait,
Sorry?
I will share my screen. Okay, can you able to see my screen?
Okay. No, it's loading.
Okay, now.
Still loading. Yeah, I can see now.
So, previously we have done the first step in integration, which is the serialize. Like in every integration, which the data is coming into the Salesforce, or else we should have to send a data from out of the internal to external. Then how we need to convert with the help of the serialize. It's very important
Yes,
chapters in the integration. Okay, without serialized information, without serialized um, mindset, we can't able to crack and we can't able to pull it properly the data. Correct. So the serialized things is very important. In the serialized in the sense totally over the JSON data. We should have to show the JSON data, not a XML. The JSON we should have to use in the REST only, the REST API in integration. Like we're having a two parts, which is a REST and
yes,
which is a SOAP. Correct. Now we are not using SOAP, so because it's a heavy, we can't able to handle and we can't able to crack the functionality from the outside to inside and inside to outside. We need to write a code. It's a very difficult to write that thing part. Like every tag we need to use XML and every tag we need to use other things. And it's overall a difficult to the JSON. JSON is a very easy to we can able to pull, but it's a lightweight as well. So every integration we are using a XML only. Sorry, JSON only. Okay, now we have done, you can able to see my screen right now, we have done a serialize. So exactly when we are doing this, when we are converting the collections and primitive data types and S objects into the JSON string format. In the JSON string format, we are going to convert the data into the string format with the help of Apex object in the sense whatever we have created a wrapper classes, those data and collections, we're having a listed map and we're having a primitive data type. Okay. Primitive data type, what does that mean by primitive data type? Uh, Mitra?
yeah. Those are like the not the objects like the by default like the string, integer,
Mhm.
long, this type of data types.
Yes, these are all standard
Not
data types,
yes,
which it will use. It will give the output only once.
yes,
The single output it will give to us, that is called as a primitive data types. Okay, when the purpose
yes,
actually, what's the purpose here? Use when sending data from Salesforce to the external system through the APIs. I told you right, what is the API, how we can able to pull the data API and how we can uh, sorry, I will tell you the how we can create the API as well in the Salesforce. Okay. Like what API in the sense credentials in the part of the Salesforce, like security token and client secret, client key. Those are all the APIs. Those are all the API in the Salesforce ecosystem. Okay. Now,
mhm,
now we are doing serialize pretty. Serialize pretty. Now we have done the serialize. Now we are going to start a serialize pretty. Now, so what is the exactly difference between serialize and serialize pretty? Let's go and check here. You can able to see the converts better readability. What does that mean here? The serialize pretty in the sense we can able to read reliability and every every string, and I mean every data, it will give a space. Like it should look it should look good. So that's why we are using a serialize pretty. Okay. Uh, got it, Mitra?
yes, yes. Understood.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm having one question. This is a classic version, right?
Yes.
So when the lighting versions happen, do you know what is the year?
No, 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 don't know.
Okay, 2015.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Sales. What is the Salesforce, Mitra?
Salesforce. Sorry?
Mm-hmm. What? Sorry.
Yeah, Salesforce
What?
is a
Mm-hmm.
CRM we use for this SAS, I mean SaaS platform, so you can
No, no, no. I'm
like
asking. I'm asking only sales. What is the Salesforce? Sorry. Sorry. I'm not asking the what is. I'm not asking the what is the CR. What is the inside of the Salesforce? I'm asking just a Salesforce.
Salesforce is a tool or a system.
Wrong. Salesforce is not a tool. Also, it's not a system as well. Salesforce is a company. It's located in the San
Oh,
Francisco.
okay, okay, yeah.
So it's a some a quick point of view questions. This one.
Mhm.
This is just yeah. If I click preview, then you can able to see this data, right? Like
Yeah.
previously, which we have done, correct?
Mhm.
Now I'm going to create another one data, which is a pretty, which is a serialized pretty. Okay. First of all, I will create one wrapper. Okay. First of all, I will create one wrapper for the employee. Employee. So here I will give like string in employee name. Okay. We copy this one, paste it. Now designation. Okay. Now here decimal. Okay. Decimal. It should be small or it should be D. It should be capital.
It's not.
Are you sure?
Yes, not sure, but yeah, I guess it will be small.
Decimal. It said this should be capital.
Okay.
Okay, system.debug when we are writing, right? It should be system. Yes,
Mhm.
yes. Should be smaller or should be capital.
Don't know, it works both, I guess. No,
No,
no. I mean,
capital. Yes, should be capital. Employ. Okay. So now I will. So these are all things I don't want to explain, right?
yeah, not really.
Copy. Paste it. Okay. This dot. Okay. This dot designation and start salary. Okay. So this is my wrapper done. Now I'm going to create one apex, which I'm going to call this employee details in this class. In this class. So what is the class name we can able to give? employ employee JSON Excel. Excel. Okay. So this is a class name. Just click OK. I have created. So I will create one few variables like string and here employee value to get set. Copy. Here, uh, department value, here department value. Okay. Now I'm using both as it is same because uh, I want to show you this one as a serialize and this one as a serialize pretty how it's look like. Okay, save it. This one, save it. Now constructor, play. Okay. Now first of all, I will call the employee class here and emp equal to new employee, and here I will give name which is Mitra. Okay, and department Salesforce Developer. Okay, and salary 92. Okay, so this is the data I have given. Okay, so what is the next step I will do here? And I will write a comment as well because you can get understand here. Create employee data. Okay, so next I will create department object. Create department object. So I don't have the department object, correct?
Yeah.
So how I can able to insert? Mm, can able to create department object, or else I can able to go through with the account. Okay, you can create object name. Mhm. I will give is it correct?
Name will not be in the quotes.
This data I have given. Mm, and Reven REVN. Okay, done. Now this is a normal JSON serialize data. Okay, enter here employee value. I will give equal to employee value. I will give yes JSON dot SERISERIALI serialize, and here I will give EMP and department value equal to same as it is. Okay, ACC. Okay, just 1 second waiting for all. Yeah, so where I am?
Yeah, just
Okay, so
getting the yeah.
yes, so this is a normal. Okay, and now the second thing is this is a pretty. P-R-E-T-T-Y. P-R-E. Okay, pretty JSON. Okay, pretty JSON serialization. Okay, enter. Now I want to add here which one? How I can able to add pretty. Okay,
Yeah,
pretty
employee photos.
dot sorry, a equal to copy. Now in this I need to change serialize TT.
Serialized photo. Okay.
Serialize pretty. This like this. Okay, so same as it is for department and ACC. Save it. Okay. It's showing here. What's the error showing here? Annual revenue, ANN, and annual, ANNU, AL, annual, REVENUE, annual revenue. Okay, now it's fine. Now what is the next step? I need to go through with the Visual Force page. Okay, Visual Force page. Pretty
What we did in the other object, employee, that class,
data.
only
I have
only
created here
created
the employee data.
only,
Okay, this is employee data,
only the
and this
constructor. Okay.
is a I'm calling the class. Already I have called to here, right?
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So now I'm going to create Visual Force page. Pretty serialize data. Okay. Okay. Now here I want to put normal serialize as well, and I want to put this one. What do you say? Deserialize as well. Sorry,
Okay.
serialize pretty as well. Okay. Now how I can able to do? First of all, I should have to put a heading, which is heading to. Okay. This is a normal JSON format. JSON format. So what will okay. Enter. Now employ employ. Okay. Now it's a prep pre okay.
What pre does this tag?
Yes, pre it means it will give you data like this. 1, 2, 3 lines it will give to us. It will not give overall the paragraph. It will give one by one.
Okay.
It will give one line, two line, three line like this.
Okay.
Copy. And you didn't work in Visual Force page, right? Sorry.
No, I have not worked. So I mean, I started in Aura, then I was doing the
Okay.
LWC Visual Force. I didn't
You
work.
know, Visual Force page is a very good thing because in this object you can able to see the object, right? In account, if I go to contact, sorry, if I go to any record, okay, you can able to see the standard button, correct? This is a new button.
Mm-hmm.
I can able to override this button as well with the help of the Visual Force page.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Can you read this functionality uh, recently?
Sorry, sorry.
Did you do this functionality recently, which is a override?
No, 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 not right now.
So for this functionality, you will get more and more in the Commerce Cloud and Experience Cloud.
Okay.
Department value. Okay, now I want mm, okay, HR means again H2. This is a pretty
Pretty.
JSON format. Okay, now same as it is. Okay, now here I want to change the variable. See, I'm going to teach you the Visual Force page as well. Department PT service. Okay, it's showing the error. Unknown property employee value. Employee value it's not showing. Why it's not showing employee value? It's nothing wrong. Okay, so in this, what is the mistake?
Not,
I
not
got the
sure.
mistake. I got the mistake. Can you tell me what is the mistake here?
No, no.
So you have called the variables, correct? From this class. Okay,
On the class name.
where is the class name? So control.
Okay.
Okay, for example, I'm using a account object contact as a standard. So what? So in this place, what we need to put if I'm using a standard objects?
Mm, don't know. For standard, I mean, it will come automatically, but you
No,
need to
we
write.
need to use standard controller.
Okay.
Okay, done. This is normal more. Okay, this is normal and this is a pretty. So just have a look how it's look like. Just click preview. You're able to see
Okay,
here.
understood. Mm-hmm.
There's a pretty. So it's look like this, and this is a
Uh-huh. Yeah.
pretty.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, just practice this one. Okay, we're having a two more serialize. One is serialize, and second one is serialize pretty, and the third one is deserialize and deserialize encrypted, and n type. Sorry, n type, and JSON uh, pairs. We're having a more three. Okay,
Okay.
just go through this. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
okay, Mitra. See you.